Racing just is started. We have Biba Andres break quickly at a start, running by the release Smoking Peanut, and on the Jansen now is Golden Empire Alonzi Oyeko Moba. Then next on that is Lorkis Tower, while Papa Ethan is the early trailer by about 8 lengths of the leader. We have Biba Andres by over length and a half. Golden Empire in second, 4 lengths further back in third comes Alonzi. Smoking Peanut is racing in fourth. Oyeko Moba, Papa Ethan, while our Case Tower is still running at the tail of the field. And at the fourth turn, we have 2 runners keep on fighting out for the lead. Biba Andres by about half length, and on the outside second is Golden Empire, and in third comes Alonzi. Smoking Peanut comes next, then followed by Oyeko Moba. Then here comes Papa Ethan, while entry number 3, Lorkis Tower, is still running at the tail of the field, and they are now entering the home stretch. We have Golden Empire now takes command. Then here comes Papa Ethan. Smoking Peanut is on the outside. Last 100 meters, we have Golden Empire by about 2 lengths, followed by Smoking Peanut, Papa Ethan, and finally Golden Empire. Smoking Peanut close with Papa Ethan, Alonzi, and Oyeko Moba.
Talagang, ano, no? Medyo, although outstanding favorite.
Yes.